Harry, we need to find the perfect recipe. That doesn't sound appetizing. Oh yeah, made that one already. Still working on the leftovers though. Now, I like our red so much better. Now, there's the one we're after. All right, I'll tell you the ingredients, Harry, and then you add them to the bowl. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. So add Precision Ag. No, not a Precision Egg. Well, actually, that'll be all right. Yep. So 2 cups of flour. Fold in a heap of cutting-edge research. This will definitely have a lot of fiber in it. So now add a quintillion insects. No, hold the Joros. We've had enough of those. Okay, so now we would need to add a global perspective and world-class education. Okay, now we need a tablespoon of excellence and seasoned leadership and a dash of innovation. So I'll hand these to you. And the last ingredient is you. Harry, where'd you go?